Sleep, the very important aspect of our mental survival. It keeps our minds fresh and helps our bodies heal from the turmoils of the day. Without sleep, we become ragged and drained faster and faster. We become unmotivated, unable to sustain even our biggest joys in life. But once refreshed, we can get back up and enter the game again, feeling renewed and vibrant. All we need is a little bit of time to ourselves. And while we sleep, we'll get rewarded with our own dreams. That will drift us off into a more pleasant state of mind.